Here are this week's top movies.
Jumanji.
4 teenagers magically enter a game and become their chosen adult avatars in Jumanji: Welcome to the Jungle.
I would do anything to sing with you guys again. Hell yeah!
The Bellas reunite one last time for an overseas tour and face their biggest challenge yet in Pitch Perfect 3.
Let's Aka finish this.
Bye-bye, Bellas.
You want my advice? Leisureland's where you want to be.
Nervous?
Little.
In the social satire Downsizing, a man decides to shrink himself so he can lead a better life.
The world is filled with things to see.
See what's hot in theaters with this week's Fanticipation. So what's your weekend ticket going to be? Let us know by commenting. See you next time on Weekend Ticket.